Islamic General Knowledge MCQs with answers. Question number 1. What is the first pillar of Islam? Correct answer, C. Question number 2. In which language was the Quran revealed? Correct answer, B. Question number 3. Who was the first prophet? Correct answer, C. Question number 4. Who is the last prophet? Correct answer, C. Question number 5. How many daily prayers are obligatory? Correct answer, C. Question number 6. How many paras are in the Quran? Correct answer, C. Question number 7. In which month are Muslims required to fast? Correct answer, C. Question number 8. What percentage is given as zakat? Correct answer, B. Question number 10. In which cave was the first revelation received? Correct answer, B. Question number 9. Where is Hajj performed? Correct answer, C.